Hello and welcome to the online viewing for this lovely, spacious, two-bedroom ground floor apartment. You can see the entrance into the communal hallway and the path leading out onto Haunch Lane. And then once inside the communal hallway, we just go through this first door and the apartment is just here on the right hand side. We then have a rear access which leads through to the car parking area. Okay, and then moving into the apartment, and we have the hallway here leading through to the living area. Which is then open plan with the kitchen. So really well presented and maintained interior to this property. And within the kitchen, we have an integrated cooker, 4-ring electric hob with extractor above. There's also an integrated fridge freezer. And then moving back through the hallway where we have a built-in airing cupboard here, housing the hot water cylinder. And then we've got both bedrooms. So the second bedroom, nice size double room, and the main bedroom. And both of the bedrooms facing the rear of the building. And then into the bathroom, we have a nice modern white suite with shower over the bath. And again, all really nice condition and really well maintained. And then just outside the building here to the rear, we've got the rear access there just in front of us. And then we have the parking area. The designated space for this apartment is number 20, which is just this one here. And that concludes the online viewing for this property. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please contact the office as soon as you can, and we'll hopefully speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.